12 Georgian opposition parties have addressed the European Court of Human Rights (ECHR) in Strasbourg, asking them to prolong suspended enforcement of the verdict over Rustavi 2 TV reached on March 2, 2017 by the Grand Chamber of the Supreme Court of Georgia. The opposition parties claim that the government wants to get rid of the most critical TV channel before October presidential elections. The parties believe that continuation of ECHR temporary measure is of utmost importance for Georgian democracy. The fact that there can still be found democracy and freedom of speech signs in Georgia, including pluralistic media outlet for voicing opposition ideas, it is the merit of the ECHR, which suspended government-orchestrated court verdict over Rustavi 2 dispute. This helped the broadcaster to remain impartial and critical. "We do hope that this temporary measure will be enforced until the dispute is over," the statement of 12 opposition parties reads. The Grand Chamber of the Supreme Court of Georgia, which is tasked to solve the most complex cases, made the final decision on the high-profile Rustavi 2 TV dispute, and granted the assets of the broadcaster to its former owner, Kabar Kolvashi, in early March 2017. Kolvashi was a co-owner of Rustavi 2 from 2004 to 2006. He filed a lawsuit in August 2015 to reclaim his shares, saying he was illegally deprived of his company under the previous United National Movement (UNM) government. The case was handed to the Grand Chamber on November 21, 2016. On March 2, 2017, the Chamber, which consists of 9 judges, including the chair of the Supreme Court, ruled that 60% of Rustavi 2 TV shares were to be given to Kolvashi and the remaining 40% to Panorama Limited, which is a company owned by him. The chamber made the decision on the background of protest rallies, organized by Rustavi 2 and its supporter opposition parties, who demanded a fair decision from the court. However, the ECHR suspended the decision the following day. The ECHR is a supranational or international court established by the European Convention on Human Rights. It serves to hear applications alleging that a contracting state has breached one or more of the human rights provisions concerning civil and political rights set out in the Convention and its protocols. By Thea Morrison. Related story: Strasbourg Court suspends Georgia's Supreme Court's verdict over Rustavi 2 TV. The 23rd of April 2018, 10:34.